I hope all of you will be joining soon. I'm waiting. Children, join as fast as possible, please. Loga Pradeep, good morning, beta. So I hope, please, at the time you are joining the session, please kindly write your name, type your name, so that school can get attendance. Okay. Sanjana, good morning, beta. So differential equation remaining sections we are going to teach. Just please be attentive, and whatever question doubts are there, you ask. First, we have studied in school about linear. In that part, we have discussed how linear sections are impactful and how we are writing the linear formats and how to find the order and degree of equation. In the second session, Subinesh, good morning. Good morning, Subhinesh. Everyone, please type your name so that it will become easy for us to take the attendance. Okay, so just if your name is with, if your account is with some other name, please kindly note down. I have to give these names to school that how many students are right present at present today attending the classes. I hope it is understandable for you. Joshika, good morning. Now let's start the session. So last class we were studying about, in school we have studied about what the programming was. We were able to find that order and degree, and after that we tried to find the linear and differential sections. So linear and differential sections also we were able to form. After that what we have done is we were finding the general solutions also we tried to found, that what and all general solutions are there, that solutions also we tried to find out. Now see, still students have not joined. This is not good. You need to join as fast as possible so that we can start the class, please. Everyone must be online, and please understand this is for your good. We are conducting the classes for your good so that your one day should not be wasted. Sanjana, Shivaranjani, very good, beta. Good morning, beta. Now listen, everyone. We are going to understand one thing. Whenever like this type of format questions are given, how to enter. Darunesh, good morning, beta. So now listen, those who are exactly present in the group, please kindly write your name for attendance. School will take attendance for you. Like today, Darunesh, good morning, beta. So now listen. So ma'am will take the attendance. I am going to start my work. Okay. Okay, Janice, good morning, beta. Krishna present, super. So those who are present, please kindly write your name and type so that we will be able to interact with you as fast as possible. Okay. Now, beta, listen. When we will be solving the questions, Ashik, good morning, beta. So now listen, we will be starting the questions and we'll be solving the questions. So there are two methods. So the two methods are variable separable method. Variable separable method. This is one method in linear differential equation we are going to study. The Naveen, good morning, beta. Anuj, good morning. So now listen. So all the people, please kindly pay attention here. When you will be studying about variable, Sarna, good morning. Sadhna, okay, fine. Sadhna, good morning. Now look here, beta. I'm just going to carry on my work. Attendance, ma'am will take. Jay is present. Now everybody please pay attention here. So there are three methods in differential equation. The first method is variable separable, variable separable. Second method is homogeneous. And third is linear differential equation. Now understand, from this sections mostly the questions are coming. So there are two sections where, okay, Lekha, good morning beta. So now please pay attention. There are two sections from where, sorry, good morning. So there are two sections from where questions are coming very randomly, and that questions are homogeneous and linear differential equation. So these two sections we will do very nicely, but not about these two sections. Our main Tarun, good morning. So our main concept is to go with all these alignments and solve the question. Now first question, Nilofer, good morning. So our main concept is we are going to understand. Hemant, good morning. So I think all the children are here. Okay, I hope everybody is understanding how and all to go with the questions. Now let's check this one out. I'm just going to go with it. Now listen, beta. Let's start the work. Okay, Samir, good morning. Now look here. First work is we will start solving the question. So how many types we are going to solve? We are going to solve three types. What are all the three types of linear differential equation is? Variable, separable, homogeneous, and linear differential equation. So first we are going to start with variable separable. What is the meaning of variable separable? Variable separable means that you have to take x-axis content one side, y-axis content one side, and then you have to integrate. That's the only work in variable separable method. In very precise. Okay, Loga, Akash present. Okay, Akash, good morning, beta. So now listen, how we are going to go for it. First question is dy by dx plus dy by dx plus 1 plus y square by y equal to 0 beta. So here this question is totally dedicated to variable separable method. How this question is totally dedicated to variable separable method? We will shift this one this side beta. So once you are shifting this one this side, what you are going to get? It will become dy by dx equal to minus 1 plus y square by y is there. Okay, so that means what? We separated it. But still you will ask that why dy by dx is still there. Then what we are going to write here is, we will write dy. Now we will shift this y that side. So y by 1 plus y square minus I kept as it is dx, and here dx. Now integration put. So that means what we have done? We have separated the variable. Whatever comes with y, we shifted it one side. Whatever comes with x, we shifted it one side beta. After that, now we are going to integrate. For integration, one general logic or general rule you understand, that you use, always the answer will come correct. 1 plus y square. You just write it like, let 1 plus y square is equal to t. Okay, this is indefinite. This is Sakti Priyan. Good morning, beta. So here this is indefinite, and we must be applying indefinite with some logic. So here what work we are going to do is, we have taken this section as t. Okay, so once you have taken this section as t, differentiate it. Once you are differentiating it, it will become 2y is equal to dt by dx. So dx is equal to dt by, sorry, dy. So here it is coming as dt by dy. So here dy part is there. So here dy is equal to dt by 2y. So now we are going to substitute this part in this, because we have assumed 1 plus y square is equal to t. Once, Sanjay, good morning beta. So once we have written that part, we are going to write here y into this section is t into dt by 2y is equal to minus dx. Now this y and this y will get cancelled. It will come now as 1 by 2 dt by t equal to minus dx plus c. Now this part will become 1 by 2 log t equal to minus x plus c. So this one will become answer. But here one thing you must remember, This is school class, Rajendran, so please kindly don't message unwanted things. So now look here. So 1 by 2 log of root x is there. So here it will become 1 plus y square is equal to minus x plus c. This will become the equation. This will become the equation part, and this is exactly half log 1 plus y square plus c. This is differential equation, and this differential equation is exactly existing for variable separable method. This is coming for which method? Variable separable method. And variable separable method means x-axis one side, y-axis one side. I hope you might have understood. Come on, quickly say, did you understood this side? This is exactly variable separable method. And in this variable separable method, we will take x-axis one side and y-axis one side. Come on, children. Those who have understood, come on, say yes. If anybody is having any doubt, please type no. I will explain with one more example. So kindly go for it and quickly give me yes fast as possible. Say me yes. Otherwise, we will solve one or two questions more where separation is exactly there. X-axis one side and y-axis one side. Come on, go for it, please. Come on, children. Do it fast. If you have understood, say yes. Note down it. Note down in. I hope your classwork note is with you or not. I don't know about it. Very good. So two people, Loga Pradeep and Darun has responded. Super bitter. Sanjana understood. Very good. Okay, we'll go for the next question because I'm knowing how many of you are interacting means you are present in the class. Where is Joseph? Joseph, are you there? Subhinesh? Now, beta, next question we are going to do for variable separable question. The another question is you are going to solve and type the answer for me. Okay. So the question is yes. Okay, very good. So now look here, beta. Question is x plus 1, x plus 1 dy by dx, x plus 1 dy by dx equal to, note down, 2xy. The most simplest question for 2 mark, mostly they will not be asking this type of questions, but I will be expecting that you children will be able to solve this question. Just separate this part and try to solve the question. Come on, go for it, children. Come on, go for it. Try this. Try as fast as possible. This question is not a tough question. It's a simple way. What the question is given, x plus 1 dy by dx is equal to 2xy beta. So when this section is there, what you are going to do? Come on, try out. So what we are going to do, dy by dx. So first work is we will write dy, y we will shift this side. Now y section is over. We separated y section. Okay. Now we are going to separate x section. For separating x section, what we will do, 2x will be written as it is, and then x plus 1 will come down. Okay. So 2x we have written as it is. 2x we have written as it is. Now this one will go down of 2x, and this one will also go up, and then y part will be going down. Y part will be going down. So this is exactly the shift we are going to provide. So once we are providing the shift, it is now coming under variable separable method, where according to the variable, the content or the function is written. So once you are writing like this, here done. So now we have dx going that side. So 2x by x plus 1 dx part is there. Okay. So now beta, this section when we are writing, carefully align this question. Dy by y is equal to 2, you take out, x is there and x plus 1 is there. So 100% you need to solve some question because your numerator part is x and denominator part is x plus 1. So what you need to do is add 1 and subtract 1. Don't touch this corner. You just solve this part. Dy by y is equal to 2. One time separate x plus 1 by x plus 1. Give a bracket and then you write minus 1 by x plus 1 dx, and that's it. So once you have written till here, this section dx is missing. I'm writing dx. Now this part x plus 1. So what we did, we took x plus 1 together and minus we have separated. So on our own, what we did, we added 1 and we subtracted 1. But when we added 1, it became x plus 1 by x plus 1. So x plus 1 by x plus 1 as it is written, and then minus 1 by x plus 1. So this section and this section we will cancel out. So once we have cancelled that region, what is coming? It is coming as dy by y equal to 2 in bracket dx minus 1 by x plus 1 dx. That's it. So once you have written till here, what next work we have to do? It will become log y, because integration of dy by y is considered as log y. After that, this section will become 2, differentiation, integration will become x, and then here minus log x plus 1 plus c. So this will become the answer. You see, with log, what I have done is I wrote modulus. So this is the most important way to handle the question bit. I hope everybody understood. Come on, say yes, we have understood. Then we will proceed for the next section. Are you all okay with it, beta? Okay, you have understood x part separated one side, y part separated one side, and then integrated. Very good, Loga. So, Darunesh, where is Vishwa? Which, okay, Saurish understood, Ashik understood, super beta. So, this is exactly one of the, very good, Anuj, Sanjana, Subinesh. So, beta, this is exactly the way we are going to proceed and solve the question. Okay. Now we will be going for the next section. Are you ready for the next section? You can take the screenshot or you can write down in your classwork note. Okay. So you can write down it in rough note also. If whatever note is available, you write down or take a screenshot and keep it with you. Afterwards, you can write down so that we can go with more and more questions. I hope you might have understood this section. So this is variable separable method. Now, beta, one question is there. This question came 2 to 3 times in CBSE. This is based on variable separable. But now I told you, as I informed you, like variable separable method, nowadays they are not asking. Their main target is not variable separable. Their main target is homogeneous and linear differential equation. But still we will be able to do this question, and we will do this question for our understanding. And this is NCRT question, so 100% we must solve. Are you all ready? So this is NCRT question. Children, come on, see this one. Secant square x tan y, this is your fight. So come on, do it. Secant square x tan y plus secant square y plus secant square y tan x. Here secant square y, here dx I am going to add, and here it is dy equal to 0, and your time starts now. Come on, try this question. This question came in CBSE 2007. This is NCERT question also, and 2015 this question came. But as I said, nowadays they are not giving. Understood? So nowadays they are not giving, so please kindly solve it. Come on, go for it, beta. Try solving the questions, please. Try this one out. Try this one out and solve it. See, what I have done is, this is the question which has came in CBSE. So you must be able to solve this question. If you are not solving 100%, I am going to solve afterwards. But please kindly solve. Try at least. Try at least one time. Try this question one time. I am seeing your comments. You have written that or not? Please kindly solve it, beta. Is it done? Okay. Shall I go for it, or do you want to try this question? Still now no answers came. Okay, at least first step I am solving so that it will be easy for you to coordinate with the question. This part I am shifting this side. Okay, so once I am shifting that part that side, what you are getting beta, you will be getting secant square x tan y dx equal to minus secant square y tan x dy. Now beta, we have both the side, two sides now we are having. Okay. Now dx side you write for x variable, dy side you write for y variable. So here we are going to shift this y side here and tan we are going to shift here. So what we are going to write? Dx secant square x by tan x. We shifted it down. Now here dy by tan y and here secant square. So our all formats what we need to write. Secant square y first will be written dy by tan y. And since we have shifted, one minus is there. So once the shifting part is over and we shifted variable x one side and variable y one side, now integration section is only left. Now beta, anyone you can solve, and second one it will come automatically for solving the part. So what we will write? Tan x. So let tan x is equal to t. So when tan x is equal to t, you have written, what next work you are going to do is differentiate it. It will become secant square x is equal to dt by dx. So what is the value of dx? Dx is equal to dt by secant square x. Same, it will go for this section. So tan y is equal to u. Now differentiate, it will become secant square y is equal to du by dy, because here y is the main variable, here x is the main variable. So dy is equal to du by secant square y. Whatever value you got, your basic work here is, what is the answer beta? Log 10x. Let's check this one out. I'll check. Look, I am going to check what answer you are getting is correct or wrong. So here it will come, this section will come secant square x by t into dt by secant square x. This and this got cancelled. Done. Now here, what you are going to write? Here secant square y minus is there. Please remember that part. U into du by secant square y. So u, because you have taken tan y is equal to u. So till here everything is coming in the format. Now look here, this section, I told you one thing in the basic sections, final answer is tan x tan y equal to c, super loga. Let's check this one out beta. I'm just going to check that. So here 1 by t is coming as log t equal to minus log u, and better listen, here constant will also be written with log format. Why? Because see, many times they're asking one question from here. Good morning sir, this is school class going on. So now look here. So here log t is equal to minus log u is there. So when log t and log u will be there, so here plus constant part. So in that constant section, what you are going to write? In the constant section, you can write c also, or in the constant section, you are going to write log c. Which one is the best answer? The best answer is you are supposed to write log c. Okay, why we are not writing log c? Anyone having the answer why we are not writing c and we are writing log c? Anyone? Come on children, give the answer. These many children are present in the group. School, Joseph name still now I have not got from school. Joseph one time also not interacted with me. Praveen name is not here. And whose children, which and all are there? All are present. Soris is there. Oh, Joseph. Error is Joseph only. Fine, Joseph. And Nilofer, you have not informed me. And Srilekha, you have not informed me. Sanjana is there in the group. Rajajanini is not there in the group. Rajajanini name also I did not got. From girls side, these many names I did not got. From boys side, I think everybody is there. Vanakkam sir, but this is school group. So now listen. So I hope everybody is present here. All the students are present here. All the children, come on, say yes one time. Shilekha, are you there in the group? Srilekha, are you present in the group? Nilofar, are you present in the group? Sanjana? Yes. Shri Kabi is Srilekha, I hope. Okay. Sanjana present in the group. Rajajanani present in the group, because school attendance will be done according to that only. So if school attendance is done according to that, okay, Rajajanani. Okay, because your name I have not seen, because only I asked, because attendance is given now. So I have to give attendance to the school who and all are there. Sam is present. Praveen, what about Praveen? Sam is present. What about Praveen? So now come on, Subinesh. Log will be cancelled. Kirti Vasan. Okay, Kirti, you are present. Krishna is present. Praveen name I am asking. Specific name Praveen. Now listen, Akash is there, I know. Yogit, I don't know. Yogit also, I don't know. Where is Yogit? So I hope now Yogit name is not there. Akash is present. He said me has morning attendance is given. So many people have given attendance. Some people have not given attendance. They will be marked as absent in the class. Okay. Now listen. So now next part is log U. Now beta, no, it's not about cancellation of log. Please understand this one. It's not about Praveen is here. Praveen is in home. So from home he can join now. So now listen, it's not about cancellation. First you need to understand that it's not at all about cancellation. It's about the another technique. Cancellation is not there. You need to understand that in an equation, left side is equal to right side. In an equation, left side is equal to right side. So whenever you balance in a differential equation, remember this one. Yes, Sankar, that's good. That's good. Now look here. In an equation, left side is equal to right side and left side is balancing right side. So when left side is balancing right side, then constant part will not get balanced. So what we are doing here is, given log application in one side is there, we are applying log application in the other side also, so that the constant will not be away from this log section. So what we are doing is, we are applying log in both the side. So here log C we are going to write. Now please pay attention. Akash, are you there in the group? Log C we are writing. So once we are writing log C, so this section and this section both are coming as same. So log T is equal to log U plus log C is present. So once this part is, Akash, are you there in the group or not? First one time you say. So now this is log of m plus n. So now what we are going to do, we will shift this side. It will come log T plus log U is equal to log C. So left side and right side, we have maintained the log section. We have maintained the log section, and once we have maintained the log section, it will become log ut is equal to log C. Log ut is equal to log C we have written. Okay. Now this log and log will get cancelled. It is coming as tan x into tan y is equal to C. Now this C constant will be having the same angle format, because see here the value, now it is coming in the value format, otherwise it will not come. So here, when in an equation, left side is totally dedicated to log, right side in differential equation should also be dedicated to log. That's the only simple format we must write. I hope you might have understood this one. Come on children. Say, is it done? So left side and right side both are maintained with log. Is it done everyone? Come on, say as fast as possible. Left side and right side both are maintained with log, and then we have taken it common. Children, come on, say this one. Everyone understood? Yes, done. Super Loga. Others, come on, say quickly that okay, we have understood, so that we can go for the next one. Yes, super. Very good. So we have done this section. Ashik understood? Super beta. So here this sections are Vishwa not there in the group. Yogit is not there in the group. Vishwa, Yogit, two people attendance I did not got. So now listen. So this is exactly the way we are proceeding. Okay. This is school group Himanshu. Sir, this is school group. Okay. Your group is different. Yes, absolutely. Very good. Super. Praveen Jones present. Super. So now I hope everyone understood this section. Now we will be solving one question. This question came 3 times in CBSE, and this question also is NCRT question. This question I'm giving you at least one answer you find and tell me. The question is 1 plus, so integration is not there. The question is 1 plus e to the power 2x dy, okay, and plus 1 plus y square, 1 plus y square e to the power x dx equal to 0, okay. But with this one more conclusion is given, and that conclusion part is x equal to 0 and y is equal to 1. Come on, go for it. X equal to 0 and y is equal to 1, and your time starts now. Come on. Santosh is present, very good. Two Santosh is there, yaar. One Santosh E and one Santosh T, na. Two different Santosh is there. Yes, Santosh SG also present. Okay, fine. This is what I was wanting to see. So most of the students are here, only some are absent. Yogit, Vishwa, these two people not interacted. Come on, do this question, please. Everyone, take your time and give. First, you have to find the constant value C. Second one, Anuj, try this question, beta. Can I solve? Joseph, try this question and give me the value, please. Let's see who will give the answer first. Who will give the answer first? Try. This is the variable separable method. After solving, when solution answer will come, then only it is 100%. So at least first solve. Come on, come on, come on, try children, you can do it. See, I don't think we should have holiday today. Nicely sun is coming. Government should check first weather forecasting nicely. Wasted full day of students. Come on. Tan inverse, loga tan inverse y plus tan inverse e to the power x equal to c. I gave you some value also. X is equal to 0 and y is equal to 1. You need to substitute there, and then finally you have to say the answer. So you need to substitute first part and finally say the answer. Okay, come on, try at least. So what work we are going to do? Yes, so first substitute and give me the final answer. Here big shots are there. They are very big students. They are not answering. Darun is there. Darunesh is there. All the students, no one is answering. Only Loga is answering the questions. Joseph, what happened? Come on, go for it, beta. So one work we will do. Again, we will shift left side and right side. This section we are writing. So here 1 plus e to the power 2x dy equal to minus 1 plus y square e to the power x dx is there. Done. Now variable separable. So dy will go with 1 plus y square because this 1 plus y square shifted here. Now minus e to the power x by 1 plus e to the power 2x dx. Done. Okay. So once you have written till here 2 pi is coming. This answer is given by, I think Anuj has given this answer. Tan inverse y plus tan inverse e to the power x is equal to 2 pi. Fine. Let's check this one out, Anuj. I think this answer may be correct. We solved this question many times. So now look here. This part, if we will take 1 plus y square, any y is there? In the question, y is missing. So directly here this part and this part, first so we will be cancelling this part. We will take this one. Integration we will put on both sides. Let e to the power x is equal to t. So it will become differentiation means e to the power x is equal to dt by dx. So dx is equal to dt by e to the power x. dt by e to the power x. Okay. So now here, once you are writing this section, after writing this inverse tan inverse y plus this part. Okay, I'm taking it. One time we will check this one out. Look here, beta. So this part to already dy by 1 plus y square equal to, this part will become minus e to the power x 1 plus t square into dt by e to the power x. This and this will get cancelled. Okay. So once you have written till here, you have cancelled this section. Now beta, what is coming here is dy by 1 plus y square minus dt by 1 plus t square. Now here this part will become tan inverse y equal to minus tan inverse t plus, I told you one thing now, when left and right sides are there, we need to do only one thing. Constant also will come with c. Tan inverse we are not substituting in constant here. Okay. So constant part will come as c, because if tan inverse we will substitute means c will have some values. Log will be separated, but tan inverse we are not substituting in this section. So here tan inverse y plus tan inverse x equal to c we have written. Now we know that tan inverse part is there. So what work we are going to do is we will write tan inverse. Here x is not there, e to the power x is there. Okay. So this much we have written, tan inverse y plus tan inverse e to the power x equal to c written. Okay. Praveen Jones present. Okay, Praveen. Now look here, beta. So here this much section we have written tan inverse y, tan inverse x. But beta, only one thing. Now we have to substitute the value of x and y. Now what is the value of x? They told x equal to 0. They told x equal to 0. X equal to 0 and y is equal to 1. This is given in the question itself. Now we are going to substitute it in equation 1. Why? Because right now what we have written is general solution. This is what? This is general solution. Once we will get the value of c, it will become particular solution. So we are going to do like that. So tan inverse y is 1. So it will become tan inverse 1 plus tan inverse e to the power 0 is equal to c. So now beta, it will become tan inverse 1 plus tan inverse 1 equal to c. And you know that tan inverse 1 means 1 is coming when? 1 will come pi by 4. Huh? Tan inverse 1 will come pi by 4. Correct or not? Tan inverse 1 will come at what stage? Tan inverse 1 will be coming at pi by 4. Is it correct or not correct? Pi by 4 and pi by 4. So this section will come pi by 4 plus pi by 4 equal to c. So it will become 2 pi by 4 equal to c. So now this and this will cancel. C is coming as pi by 2. C part will be coming as pi by 2. Done. So once pi by 2 section is there, now we are ready for final evaluation of the question, because these questions are not so easy. These questions, one trip we have done, now next part is there. So that section is now tan inverse y plus tan inverse e to the power x is equal to pi by 2 is there. is equal to pi by 2, and this is not the end. This is not the end because pi by 2 minus tan inverse minus x is there. We need to find the entire answer here. So here we need to shift this one this side. So tan inverse y is equal to pi by 2 minus tan inverse e to the power x. Always remember one more thing. Differential equation means complete short answer. This is not the complete answer. Here still answer is not there, because if you will solve till here and you will not solve the remaining section of it, again score will be going down, because here this is not the complete answer. Now in inverse trigonometry I have given you one formula, and that formula, if you remember, the formula was tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2. This is the most logical formula we are going to apply here now. Tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2 beta. Because till here we got, first what we did, we separated, we integrated, and then we got an equation. After getting the equation, we substituted the value of x and y. At that time, we got the constant value c. After that, we substituted the constant value c in our main equation. What was our main equation? This was our main equation, and this was exactly equation 1. In this equation only we substituted. And once we substituted, y is equal to 1 by e to the power 2k. Let's check this one out. Very good. At least one has come into conclusion. So we use this equation in, we are going to use this equation in which? General equation now. So using c is equal to pi by 2 in equation 1. In our equation 1, we substituted c value pi by 2. After substituting what? This in equation 1, this in equation 1, we got this equation. So now in this equation, we know this trick. So this formula we know. So directly I am writing tan inverse y is equal to cot inverse e to the power x. Why? Because we know that pi by 2 is equal to tan inverse x plus cot inverse x. Done. So we got tan and cot format. Understood. So now another thing. We got tan and cot part. Directly we wrote, because this section can be written as, this part is written means pi by 2 minus tan inverse this section will come cot. Because of this formula we got this. Why? Because tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to pi by 2. So tan inverse x is equal to pi by 2 minus tan inverse y. So this format we have applied and tried to solve. So now we got this one, but beta here cot is coming, here tan is coming. We can't cancel again. So what is the format? This will come as tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse 1 by e to the power x. Why 1 by e to the power x? Remember this one. They are telling that tan inverse x will be equal to cot inverse 1 by x, another inverse trigonometry formula. That's why I told you at the time of teaching inverse trigonometry, I have explained you this, that please solve inverse trigonometry and formula, remember inverse trigonometry very nicely. Darun, do you remember you asked me only one question, will this formula will come in examination? I told these formulas are very, very important. Do you remember that day? You asked me this question. You asked me this question that why tan inverse all the formulas which are not in the book you are giving. My answer was this only, that it will be used. And I hope now you have understood how much it is important. This and this will get cancelled. Now it is coming y is equal to e to the power x. So we can directly say e to the power x into y is equal to 1. So this is the final answer. E to the power x, yes, y is equal to 1 by e to the power x. So Darunish, I hope I have rest my case. I have informed everything. So this is what the use of inverse trigonometry is there. And that's why inverse trigonometry is so much important. But I hope you might have understood. All of you might have understood the importance of inverse trigonometry, isn't it? Come on, check this one out. I hope you might have understood the class. You might have understood what and all we can do in inverse trigonometry section. Come on, children, just give me, say me, hi, yes, I have understood. Come on, say this part. Understood or not understood? Okay, super. Very good. So this is exactly the way we are interacting with the questions. But once you will be solving these type of questions, some of the children only said they understood. Nilofer, Sadhana, Saurash, Ashik, Loga, Joseph, Subinesh, Darun, Sanjana. Okay, in no particular order, I am saying Anuj. So I hope everybody understood. Now let's go for another challenging questions of variable separable. Beta, like some particular pick questions are there in differential equation. Okay, very good, Srilekha, Samir. So now look here. Once these questions are in your command, means nobody can shake you. You will be able to solve questions of differential equations. So now let's take this challenge question one more time. Now variable separable. Right now I am in the first target, and that target part is variable separable question. Now this question came 2011, 2012, 2023, and this is NCERT question also. Come on, check this one out. This is NCERT also. So what is your question right now here is, come on, go for it. Question is 3 e to the power x, 3 e to the power x tan y dx plus tan y dx plus 1 minus e to the power x secant square y dy equal to 0. Come on, go for it. Try this question, beta. Try this. Try this question, please. Can I solve? Can I solve now? Okay. Okay. So only I am not solving. I'm giving you time. मैम टेक्स्ट बुक में 3 नहीं दिया है. ओके. विदाउट 3 बेटा, विथ 3 ट्राई टू सॉल्व अनुज. चलो, we will stop. Can I solve now? So shall we start the work, beta? Yes. So 3 is not given in the test means we are going to solve that time also. It's not like we are going to stop. So shall we start differentiating, beta, writing? Hmm. Can I solve? Now look here, beta. So 3 e to the power x tan y, all attendance given, only 2 people I didn't got, Vishwa and Yogit, these 2 people. Rest of the all names I checked right now, everyone's name is there. So here it is coming as, we will shift that side, minus 1 minus e to the power x secant t square y dy is there. So this is exactly written, this till here it is written. So what work we are going to do is, we will be exactly separating this one out. So variable separable method will be done. So here 3 e to the power x, come on Anush, try this question, by 1 minus e to the power x equal to minus secant square y dy by here tan y. So done. Now we will put integration on both sides, this much over, because 1 by 1 minus e to the power x. Now Anu, check this one out, beta. Everyone please try this question. What is the answer coming? So now 3 is written here. It is e to the power x 1 minus e to the power x dx equal to minus secant square y tan y. Rest of the any other thing is not given now. So here 1 minus e to the power x is equal to t we have written. This total section we can take it as t and integrate, or we can write log section. So here e to the power x, so minus if we will apply, then here minus section will be coming. So we can solve it in 2 methods. Okay, so now what work we are going to do here is, 3 we can write minus, then here it will become minus e to the power x by 1 minus e to the power x, add 1 and subtract 1. This is what work we will do. Dx equal to minus secant square y by tan y dy is there. Now the next section is, we will write minus part, because minus 3 we have written now. We'll take a bracket and then first 1 by, we will write 1 by 1 minus e to the power x dx, and then minus we will take common. This part will become 1 minus. So plus means 1 minus e to the power x by 1 minus e to the power x dx. See, first what I did is, I multiplied minus here and then I multiplied minus there. and after that minus 1 by 1 minus e to the power x. This and this will get cancelled, and here it will become minus integration of secant square y tan y is equal to dy is there. So this minus and this minus will get cancelled, and then what next work we are going to do? We will be writing, I hope everybody is listening. Come on, see this part. So here minus 1. So directly we can write, because this section is coming as 1 minus this section. So 1 minus e to the power means directly we can apply with log. Come on, check this one out. Directly we can write it with log section and get the answer better. Because 3x is there, x and x will get cancelled. Log section we can apply here. This either I can take full section as log part. If I am going to take full section as log part means answer will come. Either we can write like this or we can apply log section. We can apply both the methods and solve. So here I can directly write 1 minus e to the power x is equal to t also. It will get cancelled. So I am going to apply 1 minus e to the power, because two sections are coming. So here what we are going to do, or either I will put plus and minus. Now simplest method what we will do, let 1 minus e to the power x is equal to t. So this part will become minus e to the power x dt by dx. So dx is equal to dt by 1 minus e to the power x. This also we can do. Now here this part, second section, let tan y is equal to t. So it will become secant square y is equal to dt by dy. So dy is equal to dt by secant square y. So these two sections we have got. So now once we have got both the sections, so now here it will become 3, and here e to the power x part is there. So e to the power x by t into dt by minus e to the power x is equal to, that section will be written as secant square y, and here if we will take t already taken means you can take u, and with u you can proceed. So here it will become du by secant square y, and this part is u. So this and this got cancelled, this and this got cancelled. We can solve by both method. Log section application means work will be getting over. So here it will become 3 log t is equal to, minus part will come out. So minus 3 log t. Anuj, it is not affecting. Check this one out. And here it will come as log u, and then with constant log c. Okay. So we can write like that also, and then we will be taking our log c any side we can take. So this section is coming means c part, we will write it as minus 3 log of, what is t? T is 1 minus e to the power x equal to log u means tan y plus c, log c. We can write log c this side also, because I want to shift and cancel. So I write log c here plus log c this section written. So now wait 1 minute, log c will not go with modulus. So here this part will become log c. So now beta what we will do, we will shift everything that side. So here it will become log tan y plus 3 log 1 minus e to the power x is equal to log c. So log of m into n, 3 to first shift this side. So it will become log tan y plus log 1 minus e to the power x 3 is equal to log c. Done now. Tan y 1 minus e to the power x to the power 3 is equal to c. Done. Anyone got the answer? This is exactly the answer. Tan y 1 minus e to the power x to the power 3. So Anuj, when 3 will be there, finally that 3 is shifted that side beta. The 3 part is acting as a mediator, and that 3 part is shifted that side. So this is exactly the way to proceed and solve the question. I hope you might have understood this part. So this is one of the most important question, because beta in 2023 Nanuj, they created a change in the NCRT question. And what they have done there is they just proceeded with 3. See, all the questions now they will be do some minute changes. And once the minute changes is done, the answers will come like this. I'm not getting affected by unanswers people, but the most important thing is here tan x part differentiated and y part written. After writing x and y, what we did is we just substituted and we solved and got the answer. I hope everybody understood. Come on, say, was the class useful? How many questions we have solved? Is it done? Is it done? Everybody understood this part? Okay, those who have not given attendance, Yogit and Vishwa, please, if you are not present in the group means you inform ma'am. Okay, so we're going to keep it till here. I'm having class, another class is there. Bye everyone.